Welcome, everyone. This is the workshop for Women in Cybersecurity Research. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your time during this COVID-19 craziness. I'm Daphne Yao from Virginia Tech. I'm a professor and I'm the founder of CyberW. And this is the second installment of CyberW. And a little bit about myself. I've been living in Blacksburg for 10 years. This is my family celebrating Chinese New Year in February with parents, husband, my sister, and her 2 little boys, and my daughter, of course. I want to pay tributes to the medical workers and as well as the airline professionals, TSAs, and everyone around the world who are sacrificing their lives while helping others and saving others. And they're the true heroes. And thank for their sacrifice. And hopefully everyone stay healthy during this prolonged period. And I also want to say this is a quote from our department head, Professor Cal Ribbons, and please take time to adjust. You cannot go to your lab, you cannot go to office. I suddenly realized how much I enjoy working, enjoy routine. But forgive yourself, forgive your colleagues and peers and students. And this is just a very tough time. If you feel stressed out, take time to relax. But I decided to just host CyberW virtually today. Part of the reason is a lot of the people joining us need travel reimbursement. And I came from a graduate student experience. I know how important travel reimbursement is. But why celebrate women in cybersecurity? Okay. And this is a photo that I steal from this upcoming Disney live-action Mulan movie. And Mulan's experience is something that every woman in cybersecurity can relate to, right? I just cannot tell you how many times I'm the only woman or one of the few women in the whole room full of guys and discussing security. And so, what are the implication, when you grow up, there are always a half boys, a half girls, and then all of a sudden when you enter research cybersecurity, there's just only men. And so I want to create, and all the my co-organizers, Bhavani, Elisa from Purdue, we want to create a positive and accepting environment for females in our profession to thrive. We want to advance females to more senior positions and make sure that they stay in this profession as long as possible. And we want to have a platform to showcase fantastic female research and successful stories. And I want people to know each other, build support network, have fun. It's hard to have fun. In this type of setting, I'd rather celebrate with all of you in New Orleans. But this is something that I do believe is extremely, extremely important, so that we feel comfortable in our own way. We don't have to pretend to be somebody else, and then you feel comfortable to speak up, and you see successful people, successful women reaching a very high stage in their career. So make sure you log on to our workshop website to check out today's program. We have a fantastic lineup of speakers. Also make sure you follow Twitter in case of Zoom failure. Look like everything's been working well so far, so good. And I'm extremely honored to have a wide range of successful, extremely outstanding female researchers joining us from 3 continents. so that we can have exposure to all kinds of research in cybersecurity, as well as an extremely exciting panel coming up this afternoon, talking about not just about research in the strategic, the arts of research, but also about life and the non-technical issues. And so that's going to be very exciting as well. We also have a very exciting, very insightful welcome message from Hsu-Chun from National Taiwan University coming up. Lightning talk, I know a lot of you have already emailed the Wenjia. If you still want to do a very short informal lightning talk, please let Wenjia know. This workshop cannot be made possible without our generous donors, ACM CSAC. This is a special interest group on security, audit, and control, has been a long-term supporter of CyberW and all the diversity events. MIT Lincoln Lab, we are very welcome, we're very lucky to have not only their donation as well as Paula from the lab giving a keynote in the afternoon. My home department, Virginia Tech Computer Science, as well as a center that I'm affiliated with, the Stack Center from Virginia Tech. Thank you so much for making this happen, for supporting female in cybersecurity. In 2017, this is the first inaugural workshop in UT Dallas. This is together with CCS, where Bhavani is the general chair, had a really wonderful program there. And I want to say other CSAC events in last October in London. We have the women's reception at CCS, it's a flagship conference of ACM CSAC, the biggest cybersecurity conference. And this coming CCS, if we're lucky to hold it in Orlando, we'll have the first iMentor program. It's a workshop funded by a National Science Foundation. It's one-on-one mentoring program to support junior level graduate students. I also want to thank our volunteers, Professor Batts, my students, Wenjia, Ya, and Alicia, who is gonna help us with travel reimbursements. Thank you for your generous time and effort in making this workshop happen. And finally, on behalf of the organizers, I want to all of you to enjoy the workshop. And make sure you unmute your mic before you talk. Also, if you have any problems, send chat messages to Ya privately or publicly on the group chat. Zoom has the group chat forum. Needless to say, okay to walk away from your screen. And this is all very new to us, and so without further ado, let me introduce. Let me stop sharing. Let me see. Let me stop sharing. Okay. Yes. Okay, Bhavani, do you want to start?
Yes, I'm going to share now, okay? I'll share my presentation.